Tesla's full self-driving software is constantly evolving. Knowing your FSD version is crucial because each update brings improvements in performance, safety, and new features. This video will show you exactly how to check your FSD version so you can stay informed about what your Tesla can do. As of late 2025, the latest stable release is version 12.5.1, with patches up to 12.5.3 in testing. The most direct way to check your FSD version is through your Tesla's touchscreen. First, tap on Controls on the main menu. Then select Software. On the software screen, you'll find the full version number listed under Full Self-Driving or Autopilot. It will look something like 2025.12.5.1. If FSD isn't installed, it will prompt you to purchase or show the base Autopilot version. You can also find your FSD version using the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Start by opening the app and selecting your vehicle from the available options. Once your vehicle is selected, navigate to the Software tab within the app's menu. This tab provides access to all software-related information for your Tesla. In the Software tab, you'll see the FSD version listed clearly alongside other vehicle details and release notes. This information helps you stay informed about the current state of your full self-driving software. This method is especially convenient because you can check your FSD version remotely, even when you're not near your vehicle. It ensures you always have access to the latest software information. Tesla FSD version numbers use a clear format to indicate when software was released and updated. The standard format is YYY-DD, where YYY represents the year, MM the month, and DD the day of release. Additional numbers after the date show minor patches or updates within the same day's release. For instance, 2025.12.5.1 means the first patch following the December 5, 2025 version. Here's an example from a Tesla vehicle showing version details on the touchscreen. The FSD interface displays the current supervised driving mode with version information. Version numbers can be understood like different number systems in computing, helping track software evolution. If you don't see an FSD version listed, it could mean a few things. First, ensure that you have actually purchased or subscribed to the FSD package. Second, your Tesla might be too old to be compatible with FSD, as vehicles older than 2016 are not supported. Finally, make sure your car's software is up to date, as older software versions may not display the FSD information correctly. The significance of FSD updates lies in Tesla's commitment to continuous improvement through end-to-end neural networks. Tesla's full self-driving operates on end-to-end neural networks. This approach combines perception and planning into a single AI model that learns from raw camera, radar, and ultrasonic data to make driving decisions directly. Each FSD update is refined using fleet telemetry data collected from Tesla vehicles worldwide. This massive dataset allows the AI to learn from real driving scenarios, addressing issues like phantom braking or improving performance in challenging weather conditions. By keeping your FSD updated, you ensure access to the latest advancements in autonomous driving. These updates are incremental, meaning each new version builds upon the last, creating a cumulative improvement in safety, performance, and reliability. FSD development is evolving toward broader accessibility, making advanced features available to more drivers, while meeting strict regulatory standards for safety and compliance. Tesla is targeting unsupervised FSD capabilities on select highways as early as 2026-2027, followed by full city autonomy by 2028. To ensure compatibility with these future versions, always verify that your vehicle meets the hardware requirements: HB3 or higher for basic FSD functionality, and HB4 for the most advanced features. This helps prevent compatibility issues as Tesla releases frequent updates. To stay updated with the latest FSD versions, enable automatic software downloads in your Tesla's settings menu. This ensures you receive over-the-air updates as soon as they're available, typically weekly improvements to safety and features. Additionally, regularly visit Tesla's official website and community forums to review detailed release notes and announcements about new FSD versions and features. By keeping your FSD software current, You'll benefit from the safest and most advanced autonomous driving capabilities, including improved handling of complex scenarios and better performance in various conditions.